Guys, trading 3D printed toys for a Switch today. Elegoo CCL easily works with carbon fiber TPU and more. Auto-tuning and resume printing after power loss. Beginners can get started in just 10 minutes. Super cost-effective. I use it for mini models, even with glasses on. Exactly. Look at this. Looks like. More. Hi there, what do you need? Well, here's the thing, can I trade something with you? What thing? It's toys I made myself. Toys I made. That won't work, right? No, how can we trade this? How about I show it to you? Look, just hold out your hand. Thanks. Can we trade? This is okay, but it's still not tradable. How can this be traded? Then, how about this? Isn't this our shop? Yes, I made a custom one for your store. Wow, this even has our first-gen console. Yes. Actually, I'm a longtime Switch fan too. So, can I trade this? This works. This has something to it. This can be traded, but I have a condition. You have to pick. Pick 2 passersby for a PK, when to trade. What PK? It's just gaming. Play games at your store, right? Yes. Win the PK to trade. Really? Yes. Okay, then I'll find them. Hey, that one. Hey, you, just you. Hey, this is. No, sit. Hey, that guy with glasses. Not a single one can fight. Damn. When the broken sword is reforged, the knight returns. 1. Lady. Go, hum. Round 2, lady, go. Yes. Like mountains, like seas. High mountains, looking up in awe, making one sigh at the vast ocean. Wait a second. Even though you got beaten badly, there's not even a weak opponent. Stop scolding. But the boss said, this can be given to you, wow, because your models are really good. Really? Is it really okay? Sure. Sardar. Then I'll take it. Thank you so much. Then I'm really leaving. Sure. Alright, bye-bye. Welcome, guys, finally, the exchange succeeded. As usual, like, share, subscribe. For details, check the comments.